Well, good morning to my friend, teacher, judges who is going to judge this debate competition. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Ramesh sir for giving me this opportunity to stand in front of you all in this big platform and to get opportunity to participate in this debate competition. First of all, in this debate competition, we got two types of topic. That name is single language is better than multiple language. It is in favor or there is multiple language is better than single language. So I am going to start my topic from multiple language is better than single language. Before starting my topic, I would like to introduce what does language means. Language means representation of signs, symbols. We can represent language not only by spoken, we can represent it by different means, by body positions or movement of different kind of our body parts. First of all, I would like to introduce what multiple language means. More than two types of language that shows our culture, tradition or the way we are. It also identifies or shows our behavior, what kind of person we were. Multiple language, it is also it is a thinking that before changing the world, we should have to change ourselves. So I am thinking that multiple language is better than single language. Why I have chosen this topic? There is a reason behind it. Suppose we all are the student of grade 10F. We might all were doctor, engineer, something in one field. Then there will be medical facilities. But what about the other facilities? If it is just an example, if we use a single types of languages in the world, what will about the other languages? People will communicate easily, but they feel bored while talking to each other. They might understand each other feeling, but they might not feel interest while talking to each other. Due to that, I think multiple language is better than single languages, so I chose this topic. Multiple languages, if there will be lack of multiple languages, the countries like Nepal, they do not get name or fame in the world. We know that Nepal is rich in different types of castes, religious as well as in different sector. But we all are the student, and if we will become specific in any only one field, then there will be a scarcity of other manpower, skilled manpower. There were many advantages of multiple languages. First advantage, it attract tourists towards country. It also help in economic growth of the countries, and that uplifts our standard, living standard of the peoples, and makes our life better the way we were living previously. Multiple languages also helps us to know or new different types of ideas, view that may people will not get from a single type of language. It uplifts our knowledge, skills, ideas, views, that from that only we will feel interest while watching any types of movies or any types of knowledgeable education. If there will be a single subject in our school, such as only English is presented here, then we might will not get knowledge about math, science, etc. So in my view, I think that multiple language is better than single language.
Speech in front of you. So friends, my topic is against the motion. Using multiple language is better than a single language. Friends, let's start my speech. Using a single language is better than a multiple language, but in my view, using a multiple language is better than a single language. Because just you think, you are a student, you are the future of nation. Just you think, what if in front of you three people were come and you are from Nepal, they are from foreign, what did you think? If you don't know how to speak multiple language, how can you consult with them? They will come to do with meeting, or you will go at there. What you will do? Nothing. That's why you should speak multiple language. Multiple language is very important for future. This is time for generation. This is new modern generation. So we should speak only speak multiple language. In Nepal, in world, multiple language is too much important. Single language is nothing. Single language in Nepal in Nepal, suppose in Nepal, single language where if ruled in single language in Nepal, in India and Bangladesh. Suppose in Nepal we are speaking single language is Nepali. In India we are speaking Hindi. But in Nepal, if you are Nepalese people, you will go in India and they don't know how to speak Nepali. In front of them, you are speaking what? In Nepali. My name is Deepak. Nothing. You cannot do anything else. You cannot do anything else in front of that Indian peoples. You can only speak. I want to use some Nepali words here. मेरा नाम दीपक हो, that they can understand. So multiple language is too much important. How you can know? We know all English language is spoken all over the world. You can speak this one also. Hindi we should know. This is your lesson for modern. So you can speak all those languages. I want to provide some examples of multiple languages. You can go at zoo. In zoo you can see that there is only ostrich. How? We not feel good by seeing our eyes. Our eyes want to see only attractive. So in my view, I want to use multiple language. So in zoo you can see there is ostrich, tiger. By seeing that you go, oh wow, what a wonderful thing is here. So in my view, I want to tell you all, please use a multiple language. By saying this much, if I have done something wrong, please forgive me by thinking your friends as well as your students, please.